Hey, my name is Evan Hopkins. I had question 2, which is which rolling process generally results in a smoother surface finish? So the answer to that is cold rolling, as cold rolling is done at less high temperatures and leads to a more controlled process, and it has a longer process with several different rollers involved, so they're able to more accurately slim down the piece.
Thank you, Evan.
Okay.
Now you can.
Okay. Hi, my name is Jessica Song. I have the third question, which is why is hot rolling typically more economical for mass production? And then over here I have my answer. So hot rolling is more economical for mass production because it requires less force, meaning it has faster processing and less energy consumption. Since heated materials are more malleable than cold materials or cold rolling materials, it allows for less wear on equipment, which means it's there's less maintenance cost, i.e. additional heat treatments, and it allows for more bulk handling.
Thank you, Jessica.
My name is Landon, and I had question 4, which is what is a common application of hot rolled steel? And a common application, they're used in manufacturing, construction, transportation, so like bridges, car parts like chassis, and bridges, buildings, and railroads.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Merrick Smith. I had question number 5, which is how does cold rolling affect the mechanical properties of steel? And my answer is cold rolling improves the steel tensile and yield strength, and it also visually improves the surface finish.
Thank you.
My name is Natalie, and my question was number 6. Which process, hot rolling or cold rolling, is more likely to produce internal stresses in the metal? And I answered cold rolling is more likely to produce internal stresses as it is completed at room temperature. This means more work is needed to form the metal, which increases the internal stresses.
My name is Patrick, and today in class we learned about the manufacturing process of steel rolling. So we compared and contrast like cold versus hot rolled steel. And my question was, what is the typical appearance of the surface of hot rolled steel? And then I answered it over here. The appearance is rough with like visible scale or oxide layers formed during the cooling process. And the surface might have like a slightly shiny or dull metallic finish. And it generally retains some texture and imperfections.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Will Whitney. I had question 8. In which process is the metal more ductile and malleable? And I answered hot rolled steel is typically more ductile as a higher temperature allows for more plastic. That's supposed to say deformation before it fractures.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amy Greenack, and I had question 9. Why might cold rolled steel be preferred for applications requiring precise dimensions? So I said that cold rolling provides a tighter tolerance of 0.005 inches, whereas hot rolling only provides a tolerance of 0.1. So that means that cold rolling would provide a tighter tolerance, which is closer for dimensions and precise dimensions.
Thank you, Amy.
Question number 10, what is one disadvantage of cold rolling compared to hot rolling? Cold rolling is about 2 times more expensive than hot rolling. You hot roll the steel first, and then you use that hot rolled steel to cold roll it, and then it has to be cold rolled several times to get to the right dimensions.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Devin Melton, and I had question 11. Which rolling process is typically used to produce sheet metal with high quality surface finishes? And when you are trying to consider this, it is usually best to use cold rolling due to its high tolerance and its process, so it leaves no imperfections. And though it is more expensive, it is probably the typically most chosen.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jason, and my question was, how does the cooling process differ between hot rolled and cold rolled steel? And over here I put the hot rolling. It cools naturally in open air, which leads to oxidation scaling. And then for cold rolling, it cools under a controlled condition, avoiding oxidation and stress formation.
Thank you.
My name is Josh. I have the question, which effect does hot rolling have on the grain structure of metal? And I said that hot rolling changes the metal's grain by breaking up the large grains and causing near ones to form. And then that causes recrystallization, and then that makes the metal more flexible and tougher and less stressed.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lucas Posey. My question was question 14. Which process, hot or cold rolling, is more suitable for producing large structural components? And I wrote that hot rolling is more suitable for large scale structural components because of how hot rolled metal or hot rolled steel is more malleable compared to cold rolled.
Thank you.
All right, my name is Michael, and I had question 15. Why does cold rolled steel have higher yield strength than hot rolled steel? Over here, my answer is that the cold rolling process at lower temperatures refines the grain structure, and that causes the steel to have a higher strength and hardness.
Thank you.